Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to do a really fun activity. I have this magic box right here. Pretty cool, huh? And it has the power to change whatever I put in it into something else. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 pens into the magic box. Okay, I'm putting them in right now. They're in there. Put the cover on my box. And say the magic word. Alakazam! And let's see what happened. What? My 2 pens are now 3. Wow! Well, let's try it with something else. Let's try it putting 4 pens in. Okay, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to put these 4 pens into my box, right? So I got to make sure that I do my magic. Put the cover on the box. Alakazam! And my 4 pens turn to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Every time I put some pens in the box, 1 more come out. Huh. When I put 2 in, 3 came out. When I put 4 in, 5 came out. What do you think is going to happen when I put 7 in? Let's put 7 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, put 7 in. How many do you think are going to come out? Let me put my cover on it. And we say our magic word, Shazam! What do you think? I think if I put 7 in, maybe 8 will come out because it's been 1 more every time, right? Let's see if the rule is the same. 1, 2, 3. It's hard for you guys to see. I know. Sorry. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Huh. When I put 7 in, 8 come out. The rule must be +1 every time. Should we try 1 more? Let's try 1 more. Okay, let's see. I'm going to put in, I think I'm going to put in 10. I think I have 10 here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops, wait, is that 10? Let me double check. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, it's 10. I counted by 2s, but you can see it's 10. Can you guys see? Okay, there's 10 in there. You can see that. Okay, so if I put 10 in, my magic box follows a rule every time, doesn't it? And the rule is +1. Okay, put my cover on. And the magic word is Shazam! Got a lot of pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow! The rule is the same. +1. That's kind of silly, isn't it? Because you know I was adding a pen when it was out of the camera's way, wasn't I? I was being kind of sneaky about that. But the reason I wanted you to see the magic box was that you could understand the rule happened while it was in the box. Some kind of magic happened, and in this case, it was the +1 magic. Okay, so remember we talked about how there's rules. Mathematicians have rules. The rule with this box today was the +1. That was the rule that we did with that. So I want to talk to you about something else, and I want to show you a little something called a function machine. Do you see this right here? We call this a function machine. It's kind of like our box in that something went in, but a different number came out. Okay? So actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it to the box. I think that's going to help as I talk to you about this machine, because you're going to be using this machine today. I like to think of it, when I was your age, I used to make up machines all the time and draw them on paper that would do all kinds of really cool things. I would invent things in my mind that I wanted them to make, and you'd put one thing in and something else would come out. And so I really liked doing that. So this is what it always makes me think of, is of inventing something. So here we have a function machine. And let me explain to you how it works. Okay? Hold on a second. I have to get some. All right, so to make it a little easier, this function machine is a lot like our magic box, right? And I'm going to try to find some things to put in it that are a little easier. So I have these spools of thread. So if I put 1 in and 2 spools of thread in, oh, my thread's falling. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 come out. What happened? If 2 went in and 4 came out, what happened in the machine? The machine went boop boop doop 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 doop. And the machine did something, right? Let's see. You think about how it changed. Let's try another one. Let's say I put 1 in. And you can see I'm just pretending with this. And then 1, 2, 3 come out. Huh. I put 2 in and 4 came out. I put 1 in and 3 came out. What happened in the machine? The machine became a +2 machine. Its rule is +2. Whatever you put in, I put in 1. Then 1, 2, 3 come out. What? Whenever you put 1 in, 3 come out. Because it's the +2 machine. Well, what happened if I put 7 in? Let's count on and see. If I put 7 in, 8, 9. 9 should come out. So this machine does a little bit of magic inside. Boop, 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 boop. But there's always a rule, okay? Now I want you to think of a number you would put in this machine and what number would come out. So say it right now to the camera. What would you put in and what would come out? Let's imagine it's not spools of thread. What if this machine made candy? What if you put 2 pieces of candy? Ooh, I'm on the wrong side. 2 pieces of candy in the machine. How many pieces of candy would come out? 4. 4 pieces of candy. That would be an awesome machine. What about if you put $5 in the machine? What's the rule? Plus 2, 5, 6, $7. $7 would come out. So this is our function machine. And you're going to be working with function machines in our next slide. So I hope you liked our magic box and function machines, and it makes a little bit of sense to you that we follow rules in math.